What's up, everybody? I'm Sarai, the DIY nail care educator, and I just want to say that I am ready. I'm waiting on my 2 people now, and I'm all set up. This is just a quick little intro. Sarai, the DIY nail care educator. Yes, I'm wearing merch. If you're a DIYer, you can gladly say I DIY my nails, okay? And then of course branded, 31 Saturdays Nails and Beauty. Yes, I'm ready. Excuse my handwriting, okay? It's doctor's signature. Come back to the hand that you started, the finger that you started with, and then you do the green side and do all your fingers with the green side, and then you come back and then do the white side. So my tagline is I'm the DIY nail care educator. I encourage and teach people how to take care of their nails and maintain their nail cares. And it's a certain order. I say encourage and teach. Like, I don't never say teach and encourage because a lot of people that do their own nails, they know anyway. I will just encourage you to why you should maintain your nail care, why you should take care of them, and not 100% relying on the nail tech, even if that is your favorite nail tech or your favorite salon. Help your nail tech help you. We are, as a nail tech, our job is to enhance your health and beauty of your nails, not to, diagnose what's going on with you. How we know that you're allergic to this, or that, or whatever like that. You should know by now, especially if you're like 30, 40 years old. Like me, I'm 42, 43, about to be, how old am I? I don't know. But anyway, everybody, this is your skin that you had since you were born. Like, you should be able to tell are you finna use this rose scented nail oil on me? I'm allergic to rose. I'm allergic to lavender. Tell your nail tech. That's why most nail techs at a salon, they should do a consultation on a client.
I have never gotten a nail consultation.
Nope.
Ever. Right. I mean, I never have.